Welcome Business Central users. In this short tutorial, we're going to explore two powerful new additions to your sales analysis toolkit: the Total Sales Overview and Total Sales Table Reports, both found within the Sales Insights app. These reports are designed to give you a complete picture of your sales pipeline, from open orders to posted invoices, all in one place. Whether you're tracking performance by region, drilling into specific items or customers, or comparing trends across time periods, these tools make it easy to get the answers you need fast. A key benefit of these new reports is the ability to analyze your sales data at a detailed document line level. This means you can filter by any document line dimension and isolate sales by line type, such as item, GL account, resource, fixed asset, and more. This level of granularity lets you dive deeper into what's driving your sales, helping you make more informed decisions. With just a few clicks, you can explore key metrics like revenue, profit, and average order value, or dig deeper into individual transactions using built-in multi-level hierarchies. Want to analyze sales by customer, then break that down by sales order, line type, and item? You can do that in seconds. No complex setup required. Each report is highly interactive, allowing you to slice, filter, and customize your view to match your business needs. Whether you're preparing for a stakeholder presentation or managing daily operations, the Total Sales reports help you move seamlessly from high-level performance to detailed action points. So let's dive in, starting with the Total Sales Overview report, your go-to visual tool for spotting trends, highlighting key performers, and understanding the bigger picture. At the top of the report, you'll see 5 key performance indicators that give you an instant snapshot of your sales health. These include your sales revenue, profit percentage, average sales order value, and the number of sales orders. It's a quick and easy way to assess overall performance at a glance. Beneath that, the report features 7 interactive charts that help you explore your sales trends from multiple perspectives. Along the top, you can view sales broken down by month, by line type, and by each business location. Below that, you'll find your data split by item, customer, salesperson, and area, giving you a clear view of who's buying what, from where, and through whom. And there's more. Using the drop down here, this chart is actually for all your Business Central dimensions. So you can explore your sales by all the additional dimensions you have within your Business Central setup. With just one click, you can instantly switch the entire chart to focus on whichever lens is most relevant to you. What makes this report truly powerful is its interactivity. If you click on a value like Adelaide, all the other visualizations will update to show you data relevant to that location. And then you can hold Control or Command and add Darwin and Perth to the selection. To reset the view, you simply just click on any of the highlighted locations twice. You can also drag your mouse while holding down left mouse button to highlight, let's say, the top 6 salespeople and filter the entire report accordingly. Additionally, you can hold Control or Command and combine data points from multiple charts. So you could isolate all the sales for Queensland, made by Otis Falls, to the small bike shop of BMX bicycles, and with 4 clicks you can see all the KPIs for that along the top, and then discover that the sales were all made in September, for example. Now what you're seeing here is just one permutation based on the measures selected on the left. By default, the report is set to show sales in local currency, LCY, but with a single click, you can switch the view to display sales by quantity, cost, profit percentage, number of orders, or average sales per order, and instantly visualize those measures across all the dimensions in the main report area, whether that be the KPIs or the charts. They all change accordingly. In addition to that, you also have 5 measure group options available just above. These allow you to isolate the data further. You can choose to view just your invoice sales or your expected sales, which are goods that have been shipped but not yet invoiced. You can also see the combination of those two below that. Or you can focus on outstanding sales, which represent open sales orders that haven't been shipped or invoiced yet. By default, the outstanding view includes both open and released orders. However, if you'd like to narrow that down further, you can head to the filter pane on the right, open the status drop down and choose either one individually. And there we have all the open order data points on display, followed by all the released orders. Back to the bottom of the measure groups, we're back to the default setting, the total sales view, which combines all posted and outstanding sales, giving you the complete picture of your sales pipeline. You can also change the date context. You can switch between posting date, order date, or valuation date, which is particularly useful if you perform inventory revaluations, as it gives a more accurate view in those cases. Now, a unique feature of these total sales reports is the ability to view whichever line type you are interested in by using this section here. So you could look at the item line or resource line and then simply click on it again to look at all the lines combined. And finally, the slices at the top let you filter by company, by fiscal year, and by month. All in all, within this one report, you have access to a wealth of sales data just a few clicks away. These flexible data points and interactive features make it incredibly easy to uncover patterns, spot outliers, and tailor the view to exactly what you need. Whether you're analyzing team performance, regional trends, or product level breakdowns, this report takes you seamlessly from high-level KPIs to deep, actionable insights. Let's move on to the total sales table, another powerful tool in your data analysis arsenal. While the overview page is perfect for visually presenting insights to stakeholders, as you can see, the total sales table provides you with the raw numbers. It's ideal for deep dive analysis, building your own hierarchies, and tailoring the view to suit your needs. You'll notice that the same slices and date filters are available here too. You can change to view by posting date or by order date with a single click. And again, unique to these total sales reports, you can also segment by line type, depending on what's relevant to your analysis. And the measure group is easily adjusted again to show total sales, invoice sales, expected sales, a combination of those both, or outstanding orders. At the bottom of the table, you'll also find the same measures as the previous report, plus 3 additional ones: budget, budget variance, and budget variance percentage, allowing you to get more insight into performance against targets. Every column in this table corresponds to one of these measures, and you can quickly add or remove these using the checkboxes. For instance, if you don't want to see average sales per order or number of orders, just untick the boxes and they disappear. To re-add them, simply click the empty boxes again. Now let's talk about where this report truly shines: creating custom hierarchies and exploring the data through multiple levels. By default, you're viewing monthly totals broken down into sales by date, then by customer. Next to each customer, you'll notice a plus icon. This indicates that further levels exist beneath that row in the hierarchy. Clicking the Expand All Down One Level button reveals the sales order number for each customer, which, if I scroll down in the rows section a little, you can see highlighted. Now, if I scroll back up, you'll also see 2 more levels within this view: the line type and its number and description. And with 2 more clicks of the Expand Down One Level button, again, you can see those line type details, giving you the clarity you need on those sales. With this 6-level hierarchy, you have a complete breakdown from monthly sales down to the daily figures for each customer, their sales orders, the line types within those orders, and the specifics of those line types. Just to showcase how easy it is to build your own custom view, I'll create one quickly. I'll start with month, then hold Control or Command to add salesperson, then the campaign under which the sale was made, and let's add those all-important line type details. And as easy as that, within a few clicks, you've created a highly valuable and focused sales report. You've got a view of the monthly sales for each salesperson. You can see what campaign they used to sell and what line type that was all part of, all less than 1 minute. Then you can move back up the hierarchy using the drill up arrow. And remember, any view you build can be bookmarked, so it's always ready when you need it. The total sales table gives you an unrivaled level of control over your data. Its flexibility, speed, and ease of manipulation make it an essential tool for both everyday reporting and advanced analysis. Whether you're examining top-line trends or tracking specific orders and products, the ability to quickly create and customize your view unlocks a world of insights without needing to touch a single formula. As you've just seen, these reports give you everything you need to take control of your sales data, from high-level trends right down to line-level granularity. Whether you're identifying growth opportunities, tracking order status, or comparing sales performance by salesperson, item, or region, these reports make it easy to answer the questions that matter, fast. With clear KPIs for revenue, profit, and order volume, plus the ability to build your own drill-down hierarchies, you can explore performance exactly how you want. No coding needed. Built for speed, depth, and clarity, these tools give you the freedom to analyze with precision and the confidence to make meaningful action. Because when you can explore every layer, you uncover opportunities others miss. Real insight means smart decisions. Thank you very much for your time and have a lovely day.